Welcome to my honest review of Bonanza. Today, we'll be exploring this online marketplace from the perspective of both a buyer and a seller. Whether you're thinking about opening a store or you're just curious about how it stacks up against giants like eBay and Etsy, this video will cover everything you need to know. Bonanza is an online platform that allows users to sell and buy products in a variety of categories, including fashion, electronics, and home goods. But what sets it apart from other marketplaces? First, let's talk about the user interface. When you land on Bonanza's homepage, you'll notice it has a clean and easy-to-navigate design. The search function works smoothly, and the site feels less cluttered compared to some of the bigger platforms, which is a refreshing change. From a seller's perspective, Bonanza offers an intuitive dashboard to manage your store and products. Setting up an account is straightforward, and you can easily list items for sale by following a step-by-step process. One of the standout features of Bonanza is the import tool, which allows you to automatically import listings from other platforms, like eBay. This is a big plus for those looking to streamline their operations across multiple sites. Bonanza also offers low fees, which is a major selling point. Sellers pay a flat 3.5% fee on completed sales, which is lower than eBay's fee structure. Additionally, you can also opt for a booth subscription for added perks, such as increased visibility and priority customer support. In terms of payment options, Bonanza uses PayPal, and they've also recently added Bonanza Pay to offer buyers more flexibility. Shipping is made easy with integrations for popular services, like USPS and FedEx, allowing sellers to print labels directly from the platform. Now, let's talk about the Bonanza marketplace itself. Compared to platforms like eBay and Etsy, Bonanza is much smaller, which means you might not see the same level of traffic. However, this can work in your favor as a seller because there's less competition for visibility. While it may not have the same volume of buyers, the quality of customers tends to be more focused on niche products. For buyers, the shopping experience is pleasant. You can browse various categories, find deals, and check out items from smaller independent sellers, many of whom offer unique products. Bonanza's customer service is generally well regarded, offering support via email and a comprehensive help center. However, some users have reported delays in response times during peak periods, which is something to consider. While Bonanza offers a decent level of protection for both buyers and sellers, it doesn't have the same buyer protection policies as eBay, so keep that in mind when making a purchase. One more thing to note is that Bonanza's search engine optimization (SEO) capabilities aren't as robust as other platforms, meaning it can take more effort to get your listing seen by potential customers. But with proper use of the site's promotional tools and a well-curated shop, you can still see success. Overall, Bonanza is a solid choice for both buyers and sellers looking for a unique alternative to larger platforms. It may not have the same amount of traffic, but its low fees, ease of use, and unique offerings make it worth considering. If you're a seller looking for a less competitive space or a buyer seeking niche products, Bonanza is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights into the world of online marketplaces.